After seeing a need to relearn the age-old skills of generational cooking in order to build a healthier family and community, Chef Jamie Stoneham envisioned cooking for the family after years of experience in all aspects of the culinary and agriculture world. In 2014, through the CCTST, Community Leaders Institute, a collaborative effort among the University of Cincinnati, Children's Hospital, UC Health, and the Cincinnati VA, Jamie created the curriculum that is the basis of the Cooking for the Family model. Through her business, FarmChef, and with help from many healthcare partners, organizations, chefs, and volunteers, Cooking for the Family has become an award-winning, year-round culinary program in partnership with St. Francis Seraph Ministries.
Cooking for the Family works with Greater Cincinnati community organizations to host cooking classes at sites across the region, as well as their teaching kitchen in the heart of Over the Rhine. Participants come from all over and from different walks of life. In fact, one session included people from 7 different countries. Classes are translated in Spanish as needed, and the program can be adapted for different abilities and dietary requirements.
The classes are 5 weeks long and teach 8 basic cooking skills. The focus is on family cooking, whether that's yourself, your family, your kids, or your neighbor's kids. Each week's lesson teaches a meal that can feed a family of 4 for under $12. On the 5th week, participants can bring a guest or their kids and cook together using their newly learned skills.
At the end of each 5-week session, students who have attended 4 of the 5 weeks receive a cooking kit, which includes a cast iron skillet, chef's knife, cutting board, and knife sharpener, or they may receive a gift card. These items help ensure that students have the equipment needed to continue their cooking journey. Cooking for the Family is supported with grant funds and community partnership dollars to cover these incentives, food and equipment, our teaching kitchen, and staff salaries.
Cooking for the Family is looking for students and volunteers who are dependable, punctual, eager to learn, and not afraid to get their hands dirty cooking. Cooking experience isn't required, and we have everything you will need to cook, learn about healthy eating habits, and build community around food. Since COVID, we have pivoted by creating a virtual option and changed some of our processes with our in-person classes, which are consistently being updated based on current CDC guidelines. While the virtual program gives us the opportunity to expand Cooking for the Family's reach in the community, our COVID protocols allows us to continue to cook together in person as well.
Cooking for the Family is aimed at building generations of people who want to embrace some healthier cooking habits and pass them down to their kids. A major way to encourage people in the habit of cooking for themselves is to reduce fear and anxiety by focusing on discovery, experimentation, and taste. It helps to build confidence in the kitchen and knowledge around food and food literacy. It also helps when people create dishes that they enjoy tasting. After completing this recipe-inspired, skill-based class, students can use their new skills to cook and create more recipes than those originally taught in class. It is an opportunity for your organization to make a daily difference in the lives of your employees and clients, as well as others. While it may not be curing cancer, it can help prevent hypertension, diabetes, and obesity, as well as a whole host of other diet-related illnesses. Join the Cooking for the Family team and embark on a lifelong healthy cooking journey for your organization and those you serve.